Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to edit Instagram post after posting. Now, you might need to use this feature if you have forgotten something like adding a location or a caption to your post. Well, worry not, you have an option to edit all of those even after posting something. So in this video, I'll show you how you can do this and basically edit anything that you want to, which you might have forgotten beforehand. So here I'll select this post right here. This can be your post. This is just an example. Once you've selected the post you want to edit, click on the three dots on the top right corner. Now here you'll find a bunch of settings. Now these are some editable options that you have, but if you want to edit the major parts of this post, you will have to click on the edit button. Again, three dots, click on edit, and here you will find all of the options. You can add a collaborator, add a location, add music, add an AI label. You can even modify the caption. And once you're happy with every change that you've made, just click on the tick mark on the top right corner, and that's it. You are good to go. You have now successfully edited your Instagram post after posting. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.